Welcome back, dear friend. Tonight, I want to talk to you about something gentle but powerful. Forgiving yourself. You see, sometimes we carry heavy bags in our hearts, bags full of guilt, regret, or shame. We hold on to them, thinking we must be punished forever. But tonight, let's put those bags down. Let's rest. Take a slow breath in and let it out. Close your eyes if you can. Feel the bed beneath you, holding you. Feel the air around you, soft and warm. You are safe here. Now, think about something from your past. Maybe a mistake you made, something you wish you could change. Don't run away from it. Just see it in your mind like watching a small picture. And now, whisper to yourself, I forgive you. You did not know everything then. You were learning. You were doing your best with what you knew. Another slow breath. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw loosen. Tell yourself again, I forgive you for not being perfect. I forgive you for the times you did not know better. I forgive you for being human. The truth is, you cannot change the past, but you can choose how you carry it. You can choose to carry it with love instead of pain. Imagine holding your younger self in your arms. See them crying, scared, maybe confused. And you, the you of today, hold them close. You whisper, it's okay now. I'm here. I forgive you. That heavy bag, it is lighter now. Some of the weight is gone. Your heart feels softer. Your body feels calmer. Tonight, let the forgiveness grow. Let it flow through every part of you, from your head to your heart, from your chest to your toes. Sleep with that forgiveness inside you. Wake up tomorrow feeling lighter, more free, and more ready to love yourself. Good night, dear friend. You are forgiven. You are loved. And you are free to rest.